Mollygram.com Review 2026. What is Mollygram and how does it work? Introduction. Have you ever wanted to view publicly available Instagram content without logging into your Instagram account? Today, we're taking a closer look at a website called Mollygram.com. Mollygram is a third-party, browser-based Instagram viewing and downloading service. It is designed to let users search for publicly available Instagram profiles and view content such as stories, reels, highlights, photos, videos, and profile pictures without connecting an Instagram account. But how does Mollygram actually work? Is it really anonymous? Can it access private Instagram accounts? And is it safe to use? Let's take a closer look. What is Mollygram.com? Mollygram.com is an unofficial Instagram viewer that works through a web browser. Instead of opening the Instagram app and logging into your account, users can visit Mollygram and search for publicly available Instagram content. Depending on availability, the service can provide access to public stories, highlights, reels, posts, videos, and profile pictures. One of its main selling points is that users don't normally need to provide their Instagram username or password. That can be convenient, especially for people who simply want to browse public content without connecting another service to their Instagram account. How does Mollygram work? The basic process is simple. First, open your web browser and visit mollygram.com. Next, search for a public Instagram username or use a supported Instagram link. Mollygram then attempts to retrieve publicly available content associated with that profile. If the content is available, you can browse it directly through the website. Some versions of the service also provide downloading options for supported media. The important word here is public. Mollygram cannot legitimately bypass Instagram's privacy protections and provide access to content from private accounts. Independent reviews also confirm that private profiles are outside the normal capabilities of anonymous Instagram viewers. If you found this review useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more website reviews and online tool guides. Thanks for watching.